Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to increase the grip size in AutoCAD. So basically, the grip size means the blue dot that you see right over here. That are basically the grips from which you can change the shape and size of the selected polyline or line anything. So basically, you need to go to press OP enter and you need to go to options. After going to options under the part of selection, which is right over here, you will get a dialog box of grip size, which is right over here. You can simply make it whatever you want. I just prefer to make it around 50%, so that is just okay. Then press apply and press ok and you are good to go. Now your grip size is well that you can or you so you can grip it quickly, and it is just simpler for everyone to just make the drafting speed very faster. So this is how you change the grip size in AutoCAD. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.